Hello friends, in the last class we have learnt about everything about barium sulfate, which is one of the contrast medium used in gastrointestinal studies. Similarly, we have learnt about the indications of gastrographin, which is one more agent which can also be which is one more contrast media which is used in GI studies. Now we will learn other types of contrast media. We also have one more type of non-ionic contrast media. Okay, this non-ionic contrast media, if you see, this non-ionic will is like it has low osmolar contrast media. So as a result, it produces better opacification. Number one. Number two, because it has low osmolarity, so it has better opacification. And because of low osmolarity, there is less electrolyte imbalance. Electrolyte imbalance is less because if it is more osmolarity, then there will be definitely electrolyte imbalance. So if there is less osmolarity, there is less electrolyte imbalance. So it can show or it can delineate or differentiate small intestines better. But one side effect is that this non-ionic contrast medium is actually expensive. Then the next type of contrast media is oral cocktail. What is this oral cocktail? Oral cocktails is a mixture of barium sulfate with magnesium sulfate, and if you add a low osmolar non-contrast media, if you add a low osmolar non-contrast, if you add a low osmolar non-ionic contrast media to magnesium sulfate and barium sulfate, this results in oral cocktail. This magnesium sulfate and non-ionic contrast media, these both absorb water into the bowel, and this water will result in barium sulfate will dissolve in this water. And thus barium moves faster in GIT. Okay, so this is oral cocktail uses because of faster study will occur when you add barium sulfate with magnesium sulfate and non-ionic contrast medium. Then sometimes we can also use air or carbon dioxide as contrast agents in GIT. Air and carbon dioxide are mainly used to diagnose a condition called as intussusception. Then we can also use water as a contrast agent also. Water is used as a contrast agent in order to diagnose lipomatosis of colon. In the diagnosis of lipomatosis of colon, we can use water because this lipomatosis of colon appears lucent in water. So as a result, we use this water as contrast agent for diagnosis of lipomatosis of colon. So these are the different contrast media which can be used in GIT. Thank you.